Hello everybody out there in YouTube world. We're here today to sample and review this new product called Nature's Wild Berry. It's the homie kNOWCASH, the one and only. If there's another, he is the phony, because you know I am the real deal. I'm here today with my good buddy JC. What's going on, JC?
What's going on, family? It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes, sir. We here with this new product here.
I'm anxious to see what this is, kNOWCASH, because when you called me and said you needed my chef skills, you said bring everything sour I could find. And I was kind of curious to see what we was going to do to this, and it don't look like you're cooking.
Well, we won't be doing any cooking today, but we're sampling and reviewing this new product here by Marcus Roth Creams. Shouts out to Marcus Roth Creams. What it does is, you put a piece of it in your mouth, and it puts a substance on your tongue that makes everything sour taste sweet. What you think about that, JC?
Well, I'm going to be honest, man. You know, I don't doubt anybody's dream or anybody's product, but I'm a chef, and I know that the tongue has different areas, different palates, and some parts of the tongue are made to taste and detect bitter things, sweet things, and sour things. So I'm kind of hard-pressed to see how does this make this taste sweet.
Well, when I saw his video, he had an assistant on there with him, and they were tasting it. He was saying it's not a particular place on the tongue. It kind of just submerges the tongue.
So I guess it would say it tricks your tongue because, like I said, certain parts of the tongue. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
I'm gonna cut this line first. Be careful with this knife, man, because you know you didn't give me my money for buying this stuff.
Okay, you just take it easy, man. Don't get no bright ideas. You feel me?
So this is what we're gonna do. Let's point this knife away from both of us, and I'm assuming based on what you said and me reading the instructions, I'm
gonna give you one out of here. I'm gonna give you. We got because what it is to my knowledge, it's from a ladidi berry. It's a natural product, and let's pour it out here. Let's see what it looks like. What you do is you only take a berry. That's right. You only take a small piece of it. Don't take that whole thing. We'll cut that in half, and we only take a small piece of it because the more you take, the longer it triggers the sweetness. So you'll be walking around all day.
Okay. Well, the thing that's amazing to me is it's a berry. Can you take one out and hold it up for the camera for me to see?
Yeah.
Because when you said it was natural, I was like, okay, yeah. But this is actually a berry.
A ladidi berry.
Okay, man, let's get into this. I gotta check this out. I need to know what's up with this.
And I'm gonna tell you what he told me to do. He told me to get fruit, a lime, lemon, and grapefruit, sour things. I added a little twist on it for you, Mr. Marcus. And I got a little bit of lemon heads, Sour Patch Kids, and what this here you bought this right here, Javon. Trolley, Sour
Patch. I was greedy. I had to try the whole little piece you gave me, so you're gonna have to get you another. I just want to know, man. I want to know if it worked.
You ate the whole berry, y'all. But guess what?
No, I ate half the berry. Chew it for 30 seconds. I wouldn't mind tasting sweet the rest of the day. My mom taught me not to chew with my mouth.
And you told,
but hey,
I'm gonna tell you, they tell us to follow directions, man. And I know you told me, Mr. Marcus.
And I want to
take a little piece. He want to be hard headed. All right, I'm gonna take me a little piece. Well, you know what he did? I'm gonna take out out.
No, man, I need to know. Look, well, let's toast it. I was gonna try to beat you and sneak you and go first. I'm gonna wait for you to finish yours. We're gonna toast this lime up because I'm curious to see if this makes this lime taste sweet. I'm gonna bug out.
Okay. I got to see too. Come on, man.
You ready?
All right.
Toast to, what is it called again? What kind of berries?
Ladidi berries.
Toast to the ladidi berries.
All right.
What in the world?
Oh, this is crazy.
But this tastes like lemonade.
Yeah.
Or limeade.
Listen, he's not lying, man. This tastes like... Oh, my God.
Now, you know we ain't smashing no lime like this at this moment.
Listen.
I don't even need to try the lemon because the lime was that sweet.
Oh, my God.
I know, but we're going to see how long it holds up.
I'm gonna tell you something, Mr. Marcus. You got yourself something there, buddy. And I don't want
Mr. Marcus, I'm gonna be honest. I'm still a little skeptical. I want to see if you would make it through the lemon and the grapefruit all the way down the line.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm telling you, with that lime taste, buddy, I'm gonna make a good toast. Let's make a toast. Let's propose a toast. Okay. To life, wealth, health, success, and may we be prosperous in all of our endeavors, including you, Mr. Marcus.
Oh man, let's see. Can we get a little sweet going on again?
Oh man.
Man, I almost said the wrong word. This is crazy.
I'm trying to tell you, I ain't never tried nothing like this in my life, and
let me ask you something. Let me
come on.
You say this guy like is a health guru or a life expert or?
Yes, that's what he does. I mean, that's what his platform is about. And if you get some time, go and check his YouTube channel out. It's Marcus Rothkranz. But yeah, he's a health guru, and he's all about wellness and giving you tips on how to live life and eat better and live better. Man, that's good, man.
You know what? As I sit here and eat this, and I'm gonna be honest, because this is an honest review. When you first said what it does, I said, why would I want something sour to taste sweet? But then I realized lime is full of alkalinity, lemons, certain things like this.
Acid,
fruits and things that we don't want to eat that are sour.
You're right. So it makes it.
This was like limeade, man.
Like a glass of lemonade. So kids that may not want to eat lemons or limes that really are good for you, parents, you might need to.
But I feel nourished. Like, I've never eaten a whole lime.
And I'm about to tell you something.
Come on.
I don't like grapefruit. Let me tell you something. This thing you just cut for me, I'm eager to see how it's gonna make.
Well, I'm gonna get in it like my mom used to do back in the day.
I'm gonna see what this grapefruit.
And I never really liked it. I don't dislike it, but it's just had a funny sour taste.
It got a face, and I don't like it.
My hands getting a little wet.
Let me see what
we're gonna see. I want to see did the lime and lemon make it not work, like kill the.
Yeah, kill the ladidi. Let me see.
The ladidi's alive, man. It's crazy, man.
Ladidi's working. This tastes like something like a Ladidi. Oh my God.
Now my mind is working as a chef, trying to figure out how I could use this in a catering. Like maybe some way give everybody a berry or something that's like an appetizer. It's just some way to work it in, and then
oh my God,
give them the lime or something and shock them.
This stuff is good. Come on, man.
Let me wipe my hands. I need to see.
I'm gonna set this down
one more time.
We're not here to get full.
We're gonna try each one of these real quick. But listen, man.
You want to get one more Ladidi berry?
Nah, because it's still sweet. But this is the thing. I want to read this again because I didn't think it was a berry. It's actually the only ingredient in here
is Ladidi berry.
Ladidi berry.
The only ingredient is Ladidi berry.
Now you say this guy's a life coach, a guru. And I peeped this page out. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm just curious. The guy travels all over the world helping to heal people. What's so crazy about it and dope about this wild lemon head sweet? Wonder where he found this at. Did he find it in his travels?
I don't know all about it. I don't know all about it. Whatever it is, this berry works.
Well, Mr. Marcus Rothkranz, I don't know about him, but I'm a chef. And when I read ingredients, they say what's in it and what's been done. These ingredients say nothing but Ladidi. It don't say that, but it naturally says ingredients Ladidi berry.
That's it.
So all I know is these sour patches taste sweet. The lemon was great. Matter of fact,
yep.
That's when I'm gonna charge you for buying that stuff. The rest of these. I want to get my wife or something.
All right, now, I just want to close this out by saying, if I'd had to give a review, Oh, we got one more thing here, Church. These things here, you bro. I done paid for them. I done paid for them.
Okay.
I might as well bust them off.
Yeah. Mr. Marcus Boss Man played with the Adidas.
Let me tell you something. Look, think about this. What about a jingle?
Tweedledee, tweedledee.
I like that. Hold on.
Tweedledee, tweedledee. Tweedledee, tweet, make sour, taste sweet.
Ooh, I like that. Tweedledee.
Wow, man.
Tweedledee, tweedledee. Make sour taste sweet.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. It really works. And I'm not just saying that. I was looking to doubt it. I was looking to be able to say, at least to be able to say, I didn't like this grapefruit because I don't like grapefruit. This thing made me eat a grapefruit.
Man, you gotta let me go get me another lime. And I'm a tweedledee.
All right, now listen. We're going to close this out. It's the homie kNOWCASH, the one and only. If there's another, he's a phony. And I'm sick of explaining it. All right? JC, talk to me.
Man, my review, it simply works. It made the sour taste sweet, and it was nothing but a berry. I'm all for it.
Twiddly-diddly-dee, twiddly-diddly-dee. Make sour taste sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Javon,
What's up, man?
I forgot to tell you something.
What's that?
We didn't get paid for this video or anything like that. You know, no type of money, no nothing exchanged. This was something that I just wanted to do.
So you telling me I just tested and reviewed a partner? Somebody gonna pay me for my candy, right?
I mean, look, put it on my tab. We can't get paid for everything.
Hello, everybody.
Look, I was just about to say,
You
go
tell
ahead.
me, y'all.
Breathe, just go like this.
Hello, everybody out there in YouTube world. You told me to say YouTube world, but what am I not supposed to say? Hello, everybody.
Don't
out
say
there
I'm
in YouTube world.
I'm a cash, no cash.
There you go. Yeah, hello,
The
everybody. out
YouTube
there
world
in
is
YouTube
correct.
world.
Remember, hello YouTube world.
I'm here today.
To do this.
That's it.
That's
That's what I was trying to say. I'm here
Yeah,
today.
exactly.
All right. Well, we're here today. We're here today.
And
Sample and review.
we ain't getting paid to say it like that. And I be like, what? And you be like, yeah, man, we did this and tested this free with. But you gotta be kidding me. See, my mind think. God damn, don't say Javon. That don't seem real. We don't talk like that. You gonna pay me for my candy, grapefruit and stuff.
Put it on the tab.
Rap.